sun now, baby. Match your skin. Ooh.
What you trying to do?
I'm trying to, carry off into the sunlight. Watch it set.
Y'all over here caking. We supposed to be in here rehearsing.
Y'all tripping. That's why y'all ain't got no substance.
Dang.
Y'all don't know, you ain't got no gratitude or appreciation for life and the beauty of it itself. You know what I'm saying? You know how we go down around here. You know what I mean? Show y'all how to do it, basically.
Yeah, man, that was hot. But for some reason, it's kind of cold in here. Is anyone else cold? But still, that was hot.
Yeah, you know, we was doing at that party, huh? Yeah, we was doing our thing, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we was at the party grooving, getting it in, you know what I mean? Y'all like that? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Can you dig it, baby? Can you dig it? Yeah.
Man,
that party was cool, but I got church in the morning.
Man, that was a time to remember. I just am not gonna remember. Man, I did spill yak on my shoes though, man. That's not cool. But whatever.
I kind of like dude. Like, for real. I hope he knows this. I think it was pretty obvious. Whatever. We'll see.
She looked me dead in my eye. Just like that. The old girl can have me lost in the sauce, man. Oh yeah. I think I like her. Ain't put my leg up and think about it for about. What time is it? I think I should go. Oh, I got work.